Assalamu alaikum KG2 students. Hope so you all are fine. Today our topic is make sentences. KG2 class, we are going to make sentences by using these words. So first of all of you take your pencil and complete this task with me. Okay students, let's start. The first sentence is this is a dash. We will write here book. So the sentence is this is a book. The next sentence is this is a dash. We will write here cow. So the sentence is this is a cow. The third sentence is this is an dash. We will write here apple. As you know very well, article an is used with vowel letters and the initial letter of apple is A and A is also a vowel letter. So the sentence is this is an apple. The next sentence is this is an dash. We will write here egg because the initial letter of egg is E and article an is used with vowel letter. E is also a vowel letter. The sentence is this is an egg. The last sentence is this is a dash. We will write here train. So the sentence is this is a train.